In late August, Hurricane Harvey made landfall along the Texas coast. In early September, Hurricane Irma hit the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, and Florida. Before Harvey and Irma even landed, preparations were underway to save homes, businesses, and lives. The American Red Cross was there. Throughout our response to both of these major hurricanes, we have provided nearly 1 million overnight stays in more than 900 shelters across Texas and Florida. Our work continues today and will for months to come, and the American people have been unfailingly generous. Thousands of volunteers have left their homes and families to provide 24/7 support to those in need, providing food, water, comfort, and hope. Our partners have stepped up to support our work again and again. To this, we say thank you. Those affected will recover and rebuild. And to that we say, the American Red Cross stands with you. As long as it takes, we will be there.
Bless you guys.